Now we are going to discuss as to what is meant by the term torture. Dear students, torture means infliction or pain to human beings. Torture for obtaining confession is prohibited both by this article and the general law of the land. But as a matter of fact, still police inflicts variety of torture on the suspects. Example are keeping a suspect awake all night, laying him on ice slab, hanging him from the ceiling with head downwards, etc., are done by police to extract evidence. My dear students, in England, torture was recognized as a part of criminal procedure and was acknowledged as such by the various acts of the English Parliament. In 1689, efforts were made to curb it, and the claim of right was enacted, whereunder the use of torture in petty cases and cases without evidence was declared illegal. My dear students, जो torture है, जो infliction है, जो pain है, इसके बारे में जो condemnations हैं वो बहुत vast हैं. कोई भी methodology of torture है उसको पसंद नहीं किया जाता और हमेशा इसको condemn किया जाता है. यहाँ पर आप देख रहे हैं the various types of implements and instruments employed in torture amply demonstrate the crooked ingenuity of their inventors and users. Of them, the iron bars and thumbkins are still remembered in Europe with certain amount of fear and chilling sensation, my dear students. In England, it was only during the Queen, it was only during the days of Queen Anne that torture was finally abolished by an act of Parliament. इंग्लैंड में क्वीन एन के ज़माने में जो टॉर्चर है इसको बिल्कुल अबॉलिश कर दिया गया था, इसको बिल्कुल ख़त्म कर दिया गया था. हमारी कंट्री में क्या सूरत हाल है टॉर्चर के बारे में, आइए उसके बारे में देखते हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, in our country, torture is prohibited by various laws. For instance, under Section 163 of the Code of Criminal Procedure, 1898, no police officer or any person in authority shall offer or make any inducement, threat, or promise for obtaining a confession. Dear students, under Section 348 of the Pakistan Penal Code 1860, it is an offence to wrongfully confine a person for the purpose of extracting a confession from him. Dear students, in this regard, I would like to refer you to Article 38 of Qanun-e-Shahadat 1984. A confession that has been made to a police officer is inadmissible as evidence against the maker.